This is the most comprehensive and longest running set of data on the SaaS industry. And according to that data, the average organization spends $49 million on SaaS. Whenever your companies were founded, you've been buying SaaS. Departments have been buying SaaS. Employees have been buying SaaS. IT has been buying SaaS. It literally is out of control. Partner states that 70% of all SaaS licenses are actually not managed by IT. That's the sprawl, that's the chaos. How do we get control of it? We need a centralized set of data that then we can rationalize our applications when it comes to SaaS. When your superiors sit there and say, I need savings, they are talking about money out of next year's budget so that I can reallocate it. That's what this is about. So bring the centralization together, inventory, license and contract data, application utilization data, and of course, the renewal/contract data. Every single renewal, we are able to answer 3 questions. I know this is super simplified, but this is the key. First of all, should we be renewing this application at all? Is it a redundant app? Is no one using it? Is it a risky app? Should we be renewing this application? Secondly, we are going to renew it. Now what? Let's make sure we know exactly the number of licenses we should be renewing based on utilization. Also, what is your company doing related to growth or hopefully not reduction? We need to know how many licenses we need to renew, utilization being the biggest input. And then finally, how are we making sure we're paying the right price? So those 3 questions answered at every renewal require up-to-date data and then a process to make sure that those things are being reviewed.
Some teams do this in Zylo already. Others use a spreadsheet. Some use pen and paper. But regardless, the whole point is there has to be a centralized system of this data, because again, without that, we're just making uninformed decisions.